computer functions is processing. Processing basically is the manipulation of information or data. Whenever you enter any information into the computer, that is considered processing. The central processing unit, this is pretty much the place where processing takes place. Pretty much better known as the brain of the computer. The operating system is a software that helps a computer control itself to operate efficiently and keep track of data. Basically what we have is the same thing. It's a software that helps the computer control itself. Computer classification. Well, we all know that we have different types of computers. Well, they're all classified. You have your handheld computer, which would be like the PDAs, the smartphones, things of that nature. And it's pretty much just a small keyboard or touchscreen sensitive pocket-sized device. Like I said, it could be a smartphone, a media player, portable game system. You know, some of y'all may use like a little PSP or stuff like that. And then you have another classification would be a notebook computer. Your notebook computer, sorry about that. Your notebook computer. That'll be is a small, lightweight personal computer. Something more just like a laptop, what we use for that same thing. Some other computer classification would be a personal computer, and that's pretty much a computer designed to meet individual needs. That could be your home computer, your office computer. If you're working at a job, the computer that you use at your job, all that would be classified as your personal computer. It's pretty much a computer that you have that's set to meet your needs. Desktop computers. Pretty much that is just any desktop computer that fits on the desk and runs on a power outlet from the wall. Again, that could be your home, office, and school computers. Now we're going to go into computer memory. Quite sure we all heard of RAM. Basically, you may not have understood the meaning of RAM, but RAM is random access memory. Basically, this is a place on your computer that temporarily holds information or data. It holds instructions and raw data. One thing about RAM is that it's volatile, meaning that it requires power to hold data. So if you have it and you unplug your computer, then that information is gone with RAM. So basically, that's what we have here. Example of that would be, say you're doing some banking information on the computer, and you enter in your computer balance, the checkbook, and the information in it is temporarily stored in the RAM until transferred to a disk. ROM. ROM is read-only memory. Pretty much this is where it holds the computer startup routine. So basically, once you first start your computer, this is where it stored all that information, where to get it, all your download, all your software. This is where it's stored. It is permanent and non-volatile, meaning that if you unplug it, it's still going to be there. It's not going to vanish as if it was RAM. Information is stored in ROM and can only be changed if ROM chip is replaced. That's the only way you can change it. CDs and DVDs. Well, we all know what that is. CDs, I'm quite sure I have lots of them. DVDs, same thing. But these are classified as removable storage and memory. CDs, if you didn't know, stand for compact disc. Provides up to 700 megabytes of storage. DVDs, digital video disc, provides up to 4.7 gigabytes of storage. CDs and DVDs classification. Well, you have different ones. You have read-only, which you probably have seen this before, ROM. These versions of CDs and DVDs contain permanent data stored on the disk. You have a portable, and that's the symbol for it. CDs and DVDs where information can only be stored on. Once stored, it cannot be removed. And then you have your rewritable disks. Information on these disks can be changed multiple times. These are the symbols for them. CD negative RW, DVD negative RW, CD plus RW, and DVD plus RW. And sometimes based on the computer that you have,